Welcome back to the garage. It's been a little bit, so I want to catch you up on what's been done. In front of me, you got a table of parts, and we've been busy off camera. I have the last plate of the chassis reinforcements that hasn't been started. I actually had a buddy over here, a few buddies over here, working on the car. We got the gas tank dropped, welded in some plates, and then we ran out of welding gas. So we're back at it. Brand new tank of welding gas. We have one plate left to finish up, and that's what I want to get to work. So, and once we do that, we have a bunch of other things we can do under the car. We've cleaned underneath, so we can get to work. So let's get to it. All right, so we're about to go into the car. The welder's prepped, it's on, it's warming up, whatever. But I wanted to show you what we did and show you how we ended up, because it's kind of funny. We kind of ran out of wire, then we ran out of gas. Well, ran out of wire, went and got new wire, came back, and then we ran out of gas. And you can see how shitty the welds looked from running out of it. So I was doing this plate, and then just look at the porosity on that weld. So, and you can see good, kind of splotchy a little bit, but we kind of grind some of this out and then redo it all. But if we go under the car, I'll kind of show you what we got done. So this plate's in. I'm gonna go through, kind of grind some of these spots out and clean it up a little bit. So that one over there is welded in. There's this back one, and then this one as well. So, and then the other one that was holding in the intro goes right there. Same as this one here. So what I want to do is come in here, clean up some of these welds that didn't penetrate very well, or didn't have good enough cleanup on the chassis, and it kind of just curled out. So I'm gonna come in here with a grinder, clean up all of this, some of this edge, and get to work. So pretty crazy without the gas tank in here, kind of looking at all this. So yeah, we're gonna, like, some of these vent lines, those fuel lines look like they're super corroded, and then we can remove all that hard brake lines as well. So all of this is gonna come out, and we're gonna go from there. So pretty sweet. So let's get to work. All right, I want to get you guys caught up. Whoa. All right, so I started prepping this side. So what I did after that last clip was, I'm not gonna get, you ain't gonna get a close up. You're gonna get I booger weld that fucker together. So that one's done. I'm gonna grind it after it cools. Almost started a fire right there and up in there. Yeah, so what I learned from that side, so I came over here. Let's get some light on it. I wanted to clear this portion off because I weld down here. Cleared this out back further. Got more off down in this seam. It's hard. I'm gonna try and get a little more, I think. And then up on this side, I might actually go up higher, but yeah, that cleared out a little more. So when looking at the plate, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed here. So see, you're gonna weld up on top there. Little spots there, so this might need to clean up a little more here, around that edge, and looking at this corner here, there's a little bit more that needs to be done in this area. So, working on it, clearing that out. This is kind of the boring stuff I didn't think I needed to film. Yeah, I'm discussing. I didn't want to document just cleaning, so it's a boring time lapse. So, I'll pick you back up when I start welding. Alright, calling it. I'm covered in stuff. Got a bunch of holes in this nice sweatshirt. It is what it is. I ran out of gas. Tank got frozen over. I don't know what's going on. Ran out of gas, didn't really realize it, and kept welding. Now some shit looks bad. So it is what it is. So, you know, like I say with any house project, mud and tape make me the sheet rocker I ain't. Grinder's gonna make me the welder I'm not. So we're gonna go with that. I'm not gonna show you that fucking welds. You saw him from a distance on that side. This side's not any better. Welding upside down, whatnot. It's terrible. So, it's late. You can see outside. It's pretty dark out. I'm gonna call it here. This isn't really much action for you, but progress is progress, right? So probably the next videos is probably over the next couple days. I'm gonna try and get out here, whatnot. I'm gonna kind of finish cleaning up in here, and you know, Minnesota's unusually warm for January, so I'm gonna use it to try and get some things done. So peace out, have a good night, see you next time.